I've gotten asked this question a couple times, so I thought I'd create a video and answer it. And the question is this. In Google Forms, how do I get rid of a section? Let me show you the best steps to do for you removing a section in a Google form. You can see right here, it's a section 1 of 2 that very clearly tells me there's another section. If you scroll down a little ways, you'll see, boom, here's section 2. Now, if I come down here below this, on this question here, and if I add a section break right here, where's section break? And right there, add a section break. So there's a section break down here, and I'm going to add a question just to have one here. You know, your favorite car, and I'll make it a single answer. And so now I have 3 sections. So let's say I want to get rid of this section in the middle here. There's a couple different ways you can do it. First of all, you could just simply hit the 3 dots and you could say merge with above. And what that's going to do is right below topic, it's going to put LinkedIn profile URL, merge with above. There's topic and there's LinkedIn profile URL. And then you can see what used to be section 3 of 3 is now section 2 of 2. Now there's another way you could have done this. And the other way I could have done this is as I undid what I just did, is I could take this, let's say I want to move this down. So I can take and grab this and then slide it down here below the title, untitled section, and put it above the favorite car in what's in section 3 of 3. Section 2 of 3 is empty, and now I can click on that and I can delete the section. Now there's one more way I could have done that. And you can see what it did in this case was it moved this LinkedIn profile URL request down in the section below. Let's undo that, undo another one. Let's do it. Now I got 3 sections. Let me show you the other way of doing this. And that would be to hit the 3 dots and delete the section, and then accept that deleting a section also deletes the questions and the responses you've collected so far totally from the form responses, and if you have a spreadsheet, it removes it from the spreadsheet as well. But if you don't want to do that, it recommends you use merge or you use the manual process I showed. But I'm going to do it. I'm going to hit OK. And now you can see that the request for the LinkedIn profile URL is gone. And we're down to having 2 sections instead of 3. But again, I can hit Command Z, and I can put this back and put it all back. So there's the 3 answers. Manually move it up. Manually move the question up or down and delete. Use the 3 dots and merge, or use the 3 dots and delete the section and delete the relevant questions and responses. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail dude. I hope this is helpful for you.